Hello everyone, I am Mudit. I am a student of Engineering College Jhalawar. Today I am here to present my major project on Android app. So this is our Android app ECJ Next and its icon. Now there are contents: Introduction to Android, Introduction to ECJ Next, System Requirement Analysis, Languages used, Android Activity Lifecycle, Project Updates, Design Flowchart, Format of Database, Future Working Plan, and References. Now, Introduction to Android. Android is the name of the mobile operating system owned by American company Google. It most commonly comes installed on a variety of smartphones and tablets. Android is an open source and Linux based operating system for mobile devices such as smartphones and tablet computers. Android was developed by the Open Handset Alliance led by Google and other companies. Android has a DVK, that is Dalvik Virtual Machine. Now introduction to ECJ Next. ECJ Next is a college management application which basically aimed at managing most of the activity of college. This application helps in adding mobility and automation in managing the campus information. This app gives an easier, safer and quicker way of connectivity with college. This app consumes very less storage, that is of only 5.64 GB. This app provides good security to your data. Now let's move on to system requirement analysis. The first one is Android Studio. Android Studio is an IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment for Android app development. There are some features: a fast and feature rich emulator, a unified environment where you can develop for all Android devices, instant run to push changes to your running app without building a new APK, extensive testing tools and frameworks, link tools to catch performance, usability, version compatibility, and other problems. Now second one is SDK, that is Software Development Kit. It is a set of software development tools that allows the creation of applications for a certain software package. An SDK can take the form of a simple implementation of one or more APIs. It may be as complex as hardware specific tools that can communicate with a particular embedded system. Third one is JDK, that is the Java Development Kit, is a software development environment used for developing Java applications and applets. It includes the Java runtime environments, that is JRE, an interpreter or loader, a compiler, an archiver, a documentation generator, and other tools needed in Java development. There are different JDKs for various platforms. The supported platforms include Windows, Linux, and Solaris. Mac users need a different software development kit which includes adaptations of some tools founded in the JDK. Now let's move on to languages which are used in Android applications. The first language is Java. Java is an object-oriented programming structure that can be used to create complete applications that may run on a single computer or be distributed among servers and clients in a network. Java technology is used for developing both applets and applications. Some features of Java are object-oriented, platform-independent, simple, secure, portable, robust, and multi-threaded. The second one is XML, that is Extensible Markup Language. Extensible means that the language is a shell or a skeleton that can be extended by anyone who wants to create additional ways to use XML. Markup. Markup means that XML's primary task is to give definition to text and symbols. XML. XML is a software and hardware independent tool for storing and transporting data. Now, Google Firebase. It plays a very important role in our Android application. Firebase is a backend as a service. It's a real-time database. You are connecting through a WebSocket. WebSockets are much faster than HTTP, that is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. All connected clients receive the updated data almost instantly. Its file storage, its authentication, its hosting, it's a fully featured app platform. Now let's move on to activity. What is activity? Activity also plays a very important role in Android applications. Activity is a screen that user interact with. Every activity in Android has life cycle like created, started, resumed, paused, stopped or destroyed. These different states are known as activity life cycle. In other words, we can say activity is a class pre-written in Java programming. Now, this is the Android activity life cycle. Here activity starts with when we tap on or activity. The first one is on create. It is called when the activity is first created. Then second one is on start. It is called just after its creation or by the start method after on stop. Here activity start becoming visible to user. Now third one is resume, called when activity is visible to user and user can interact with it. Then on pause. It is called when the activity content is not visible because user resume previous activity. Then on stop. It is called when activity is not visible to user because some other activity takes place of it. Then on restart. It is called when user comes on screen or resume the activity which was stopped. Then the last one is on destroyed. It is called when the activity is not in the background. Now there are some project updates. The first page shows a splash screen that is only for 2 seconds, then it automatically wipes out. Then you can see the register and login page, and then you can register here by entering the data. Then after register you can get the home page by login. Then there are some icons here like second year, third year, fourth year CSE, and second year, third year, fourth year IT, and some useful icons for students. So the first six icons have authentication. When you can authenticate it, when you tap on any name in the list view, then you can see the data that is shown in the third page, that is name, roll number, college ID, year, mobile number, aggregate percentage, mother, father name, address, etc. Then when you tap on book bank, then you get a lot of books are there. And another is ebooks. When you tap on ebooks, then you see a lot of free books are there. That is very beneficial for all students. Then when you tap on notices, then you get notices. Then when you tap on the website button, you can see the website. Then when you tap on result, you can get your results. And when you tap on image gallery button, then you can see the images are running automatically. Then last one is feedback, where you can provide your feedback for so that we can provide you better performance. Now let's move on to design flowchart. This is how our app works. First one is user. Here user register, then an email verification is sent to him or her. Then after email verification, login. After login, home page is there, and at home page you see a lot of icons are there, and the first six are password authenticated, and the another remaining are having direct access. If you have password and ID, then you can access to data. Otherwise you again go back to login page, and the rest of icons you have direct accesses that are very useful for all the students. Now this is the format of our database. Whoever is registered in our application, we can get his email ID. Now this is how our database looks like. And in the last 3 points you can see the feedback that is provided by the users. Now future working plan. In future we are willing to fulfill the database. When new idea comes into the brain, we are going to implement it and provide the update to the users. We are going to add more features as per the feedback given by the users. We are going to upload our app on Google Play Store. These are some references. So ECJ Next, it is an online application that is very much useful for our college. Thank you.